Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the little decoration we're making today. What do you think? Isn't he cute? I really like him. Now these are just some sort of plywood MDF ball shapes, and I think I got these online somewhere, maybe Amazon somewhere, I'm not sure where. I have had them for quite a number of years and I'm using them up slowly. That one I did like this. This one I stamped directly onto the wood, as you can see, and coloured him in. And this one I used the Stampin' Right markers. You could also use a white paint marker you would really need to colour in the white of everything. But I actually prefer this one. I feel this is a little dull. This is really nice and bright. So this one I've used my alcohol markers and I stamped on cardstock, fussy cut it out and then stuck it on. And then if you want to really seal it in, you can use some ultra matte clear varnish, and that will then seal the whole thing on and you won't have to worry about anything in the future. Okay, so the stamps that we're going to be using is this one called Be Jolly, and we've got these two Father Christmases, his sleigh and tree and the little bird and all sorts. Really fun sets. So we're going to stamp another Father Christmas because I like to have a matching pair. And I'm going to stamp a memento on some basic white cardstock. And just stamp down and hold. Like that. That will be fine. We're going to fussy cut out so any overstamping is of no consequence. Just give this a little clean with Stampin' chamois, simple chamois rather. And I'm going to start colouring, and I'm going to put you on fast forward while I colour and put some music on so you can see. I'll just show you the colours I'm going to use though. I'm going to use Bermuda Bay, Pool Party. So this is Pool Party, yeah. So that's Pool Party, that's Bermuda Bay, some Daffodil Delight, some basic black and some ivory. So I'm going to start colouring. I'll zoom you in a little bit so you can see better, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so I've cut out our little Father Christmas, coloured him in, cut him out. So now we're just going to stick him down to the front of our bauble. And I'm just going to use some Tombow for this because it can get into all the nooks and crannies. You just need a little bit. You don't want to put too much on. There's very little actually coming out of the Tombow, even though it looks like I'm putting a lot on. And then we're just going to arrange a little fella somewhere, wherever we want. That'll do. I'm just going to give it a good press down from the back and make sure it's properly stuck down. And there he is. Isn't he cute? And then we're going to make a little tag, little hanging thing. I'm going to use some of this Pool Party ribbon. I'm just going to feed it through this little hole here. Decide how long we want the tag to be. Around there will do. And then all I'm going to do is just tie a knot, except I'm going to do my fingers in a knot instead, here at the top. Yeah. There we go, and there we have a little matching pair of Father Christmases. So what do you think? Aren't they cute? I really hope you like them. I had such fun making them. Really simple and easy project to do. As I said, you can do it like this, or you can just stamp as well on the wood like that. It's up to you. So if you enjoyed the project, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, the measurements, any supplies, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group, where I host a monthly online card club where we make projects together and have lots of fun, so please do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.